too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you'll get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
For me, Mama Aquaba Shonko, Eba Tuma GH, Sonia Gopon, I have to me. I said, Shemugi, na Munia, Nana Amo, who's your training issues, Abetoja, for my Ghana, the Munia, the Dika, and Azabre, as soon 70 Ebesumo, every city, as soon as Meko and Semno Emu Precope, a national security official. Ablikuma sent 2022 koso hono no na tese no wo bi artist hono ene di mu akotene no Sabriam nemo kase ni tie no trese ya che no ama police for de no akogina asem bia ano na ni di abeto justice Mr. Collins Kweku artist wo ye or department operations department woman Beni office of the president artist and an jumedi war. Now, according to a report, no ABM so no chira the entire question say quite on nam so attitude to no not as a professor my friend Carlos and a beam to war for say and nam no quite so sanity and for so afremu ashromo and quite then will be here pass you better to know not as a dinner coachina as MDPia now but I take and nam so man attitude to us aqua no esono what they attitude not as so deep ma you didn't watch and I say well the first the go and nanu as CFD no so you do na e bra you know e coachina as MDPia circuit court no na lawyer for one more edi ni matters one more ekb the amano one more eye do metima ye bia say one more ebeji bill edi amano nan so court no judge ni o ti dwam a wodi asem no wo twa so kra say one penny that say be ma no eye bill no say na assembly's file LTN nti one more entry emani bill sa nti one more actual asem no edi asheda say on the 24th of December 2020 dabakwa ebe bronya no wo mesa ehwemu kotinta police for enfa no enko wo mo akachi atese won ko da remand na tese asem no wo mo endi no e wo sa kwan no eso nebusuafo enipaku a wo mo eka ebra tese wo tututuo no mu enkofo no tese mebo mu din no Pius Kwani awoye journalist at the Emma TV3 news station no Global News Watch was a journalist at the mono a reporter at the mono no one eka yamasabre watona nano ewo ensedo and a Rashid Umar our no so odredinin no so enwoka ewo etun mu nebusafo no Ibrahim Abbas abrantanam de no wonsem ebetu da de kire mo se etoka na matese no de onyanti di mu fi asase na mayedi no koto ayasabia no odi treatment but treatment ni mu ama wo hwere ne nkwa ewo mu atese no na bodyguard of NDC penipa na atese wo Lord Comey on no bodyguard na no so eto no AB ekana sabre on no so achone kwa Ibrahim Abbas so ewo mu bi and ebiem so no Doreen Ampofo our GBC radio reporter ono so ehun eka otu no no de woda so etiasa waji ayarishe and NDC vice chairman Sabon Zongo wono so etu no ebi eka na tese wono so eja ayarisha bia na ebiem so no chief police inspector wono so kopiemu wakacho Nixon Awun any Arafat Jabril womoso na omu wo bi atese etu ni kasa no eka omu nteno ele nam so ama yakoche abrantie our national security officer Mr. Collins Kweku adodona friend Kola yakoche na Jabril odina assembly bia na akwese NDC for no MP for no wo mo a enetete wo mo chairman nsem ni akwese ntina tese pepa mo abaso se wo mama kwa matene ayedwa because we beka ya me betu benim se honorable Samuel Okujetu Ablakodi to just say tutu course on omube di omuni be di echi be pia se obi bi oteche pia no justice say justice no say enye serve na say de wo mu bia nam so ma nipa no tutuo no kwa na wo so betutuo de ntie otutuo no nya no say ye ndedi no nti say oka asa no nti ni akọji yakọchi abrante na say mabenina na ahye say yakọchi na no de mra waye mra watie akwati amra no kwa de him say chi de bechi but say de omu pushi ye no na me de etwem sa na nse mo beto da no Ghana for airport Ghana for police for abaso so my ade pa aye chichemu amuma atimi akọchi abrante despite the fact say oni ojuma ewo ye mampeni aka che no na say say fata say wo mo ye nisa because sa na emra no sifata say police no enye partisan say we say o ka we mu nti da bi to my nisa dia na wo mo fata abaso body e bi to ka say sa na wo ne kwan mu sa na ne kwan mu sifata say wo mo enye no nti so wo mo ensentimi achina na wo mo nye hwehwemu na say court no judge no ti asem so say wa sha so no so ntina so wani odin so na nsem ye fifi mu na say ye bi mu pa na say de wo mu bia no emeto da na atletini bi asefata wo mo ahwere wo mo nkwa no entimi empie emfi asem gibia wo emfa emam na de ekono eno no nebusafo say de akoyi de say national security officer ya action no say ye be hu say we di bim anase we di for awasem because e bi wo ha provocations no etimi ba mistakes to me ba ni nyemu no menka say ninti yenya emasem ne kasa bi ninti de wo the court of law ewo Ghana ninti wo court say mra enfanye adwuma wo ninti say da kopim wo na ne kwan so no so ni nyemu no ehwehwemu de ebi nkom pa ni emje be nsem no ye because election play ya tete nsem pi na ekire so ye hu nyema pi ade afa wo ninti kakra metimi aka ade afa no so wadwen kire afa ensem no bomodia na fa so nye ewo ye comment section na bia mu so no bomodia share video way on all the social media platform obetimi affluent ewo Instagram and Twitter at @TooMuchGH_ Facebook also ye wo @TooMuchGH na ama obusu a NMD nyame ya aduma e be say e dey share bin subscribe so won subscribe ya akram.
The major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nye ne bone pa ne kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin ti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ewura